blazing magnets.
Right, so part two. We've left that other bridge and we've come back to where we were yesterday. Now, we were going to film here yesterday, but our battery went flat, so this is just some of the bits that we found yesterday. We've got there a Sentinel safe door, gone. We couldn't find the other bit. I've pulled out a carbon dioxide cylinder. We've got a safe opened, various other bits and bobs. I mean, this is quite a good little spot to fish, man. It's plenty of stuff in it. I mean, it's an old bridge as well, so you know we're gonna have another quick dab here this afternoon and see what we can find. It was very good yesterday. So on the magnets we've got Marie, Ali and Carol. I'll put it back on in a minute and see what we can find. So magnets are in. You got something big, haven't you? Is it moving?
No.
It is moving, bubbling. That's moved, hasn't it? It's come off. Here? Yeah, around here somewhere. Got to watch it because that big thing's down there that we couldn't get up yesterday. Oh yeah, it's up near the top a bit, isn't it? Is it right by the bank now? It's coming. What have we got? You've got to watch it. You've got to watch it because it goes underneath the bank. That's what happened yesterday. Yeah, because it goes underneath, that's right. It's not coming up. Or it is. It's not as warm here, is it? So, first find of the day, or the afternoon. Handlebars. The only problem is we are missing the rest of the bike. Maybe you can go on the bit that I got yesterday.
It's got the brakes.
It's got the brakes. I think Ali says she needs some help.
Ali needs some help.
We all need help,
I'm
really.
going to investigate. What's this?
What is it?
It's a sanitary towel.
No, it's not.
It is, isn't it?
No.
It's a little bag. Pouch. Well, it don't feel very...
No, don't squeeze it too hard. I don't want to get covered in it.
I'm not investigating.
It's coming. What is that? You've got a gas bottle as well. I had one yesterday.
Oh my god. Jesus. It might be upside down, sorry guys. Jesus, it's huge. Oh my god. You would have pictured them together, Mummy and Daddy.
I tell you what, right?
Look at what I just pulled out with a magnet. Whoa.
You need to buy one of these because they do pull it out.
My magnet just pulled that out.
What the hell?
Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah. only problem
That's
is,
crazy.
the only problem is I can't get it any further.
Is it heavy?
Is it heavy? Yeah, is it ever?
Hold on, I just need to go. Jesus. That is craziness. How did a magnet pull that out?
This is where it rolls back in the canal.
Jesus.
1, 2, 3.
It is literally as tall as me. Oh, it's as tall as me, look. That is silly.
That is as tall as you. That is brilliant, man. That is what you can pull out of the canal. So we had the fire brigade just come past, and they said it's not a dangerous one. So the council are going to come and collect this one, because obviously we can't take this home in the car because it's far too big. So it will get collected and it will be disposed of properly. That gas bottle is the same size, is as tall as Ali. No. Oh, it's another one of them car park boxes. Yeah, it's another one of them car park boxes that we had yesterday. Somebody's obviously had an NCP machine apart. Yeah, they're yeah. We had a complete one yesterday. Oh, what's what?
10p. Wow!
10p!
Get it in! Wow, bring it on!
I've got 10p and all in my pocket from earlier. Oh.
Whoa!
No,
yeah,
mine's a 2.
Look, mine's shiny. Look at that.
No, I think mine's a 2p
That's
actually.
going in the money boats. Is that a 20p?
No, it's a 10p. 20p's aren't magnetic. It's 10 pence.
Okay, I'll
20
let you off.
It's only 2s, 1s, and 10s that are magnetic.
Bring it on. Terrific.
Hey, don't get it stuck in that bush, for God's sake. I'm not going in there to get it.
Well, tea I've had today. Well, we're definitely going on holiday next year.
What, on 12p?
Well, you never know.
It'd be what, some white wine vinegar.
Right, French cider apple vinegar.
Oh, yeah, that's for cleaning your money. I reckon you need to go up there a little bit.
Yeah, I am.
What's she got now? What's she got?
Test box.
Oh, tilt. Oh, Marie had one of them yesterday.
Is that?
Yeah, it's a till drawer. That's where you put all the notes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Marie had one yesterday. Yeah, it's out of a till. You'll probably find the till now. Right, put that on the pile. Till drawer. No money though. Someone's had it all. quite a unique little place down here. There's a nice big turning area. Obviously Nuneaton that way, Coventry that way. And then the canal goes off down there. It also goes off down this way. Anything? You're going right out in the depths there though, aren't you? Somebody's obviously been here before because there's a motorbike tyre over there that's been fished. Yeah, that's been fished out. Can't moan for the end of October. Oh, Ali's got something big again. Another gas bottle. I reckon we might have had all the good finds out yesterday. Nothing? Put your magnet on it with it.
Where am I going?
It'd be like that thing we had yesterday that was massive.
Yeah,
Is it moving at all? Must be.
you kind of put it, it's like that because you kind of like get on it and
And
then
it slips around.
That was the noise. That's the same noise.
No, it's just sliding up, isn't it?
Sliding, I can't. I don't know how I got that other one.
So someone's obviously fished here before and had some bits out. Obviously had a wheelbarrow, but didn't want to take it home. So you wouldn't get much in it though, to be fair. Definitely an old bridge.
And if you like this video, like and subscribe. And I'm down out of here, boys.